Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes incredibly soft and moist. The secret begins with using room temperature ingredients, especially butter and eggs, which emulsify better for a smoother batter. Accurately measuring your flour is also crucial. Too much can lead to a dry crumb. Remember, gentle mixing is key to avoiding tough cupcakes. Incorporating the right wet ingredients makes a huge difference. A touch of liquid fat, such as vegetable oil or melted butter, adds significant moisture and keeps cupcakes tender for longer. Buttermilk or sour cream also contribute to a soft texture and a slight tang. Ensure all your wet ingredients are well combined before gently folding in the dry mixture. Baking and cooling correctly are just as important as the batter itself. Fill your cupcake liners about 2/3 full to allow for proper rising without overflowing. Baking at the recommended temperature, typically 350 degrees Fahrenheit, prevents overbaking and dryness. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack immediately to cool completely, preventing sogginess. Proper storage ensures your efforts result in lasting softness. Once completely cooled, store your cupcakes in an airtight container at room temperature. For an extra boost of moisture, you can even place a slice of plain bread in the container. The cupcakes will absorb its moisture. Enjoy your perfectly soft and moist cupcakes within 2 to 3 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.